Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Normally every week I film a weekend prep video, but our family is actually on a little weekend getaway vacation this weekend, so I thought I would take you along with me. We just got here. It's Thursday evening and we are staying in a very remote part of rural northeast Iowa, and we're in a cabin and it basically looks like a one-room cabin with an outhouse and an outdoor shower. So this should be an adventure. I look forward to taking you along with us on our weekend. Like I said, we just got here. The kids are super hyper. So I'll show you around at some point, and we got to take Murphy with us, so that was good too. Hey guys, good morning. It is, what is today? Friday, right? Friday morning. And we survived our first night in the cabin with no running water and no Wi-Fi, and we're all still alive to tell the tale. So I'll insert some clips here, but last night we decided to go to Mabe's Pizza for dinner, which is one of our favorite places to visit when we come here. They have really good pizza, and they have like appetizers too, and they have like some local beers and stuff. So we went there, and that's where we ate dinner, and then we just came back here, and the cabin does not have like cable or Wi-Fi or anything, but there is a DVD player, and there's a bunch of DVDs that they have here. So we watched Night at the Museum, the very first one, which is from 2006, and it's funny. I forgot how funny it was. So we watched that and went to bed, and now it's actually about 11:30, and I slept until 9 this morning, which was really, really nice. And I'll insert some clips here, but basically for breakfast this morning, I made some bacon and some hash browns. I brought some of those dehydrated hash browns and eggs, and we had some toast. And yeah, so I just got done cleaning up the breakfast dishes, which was interesting because, again, there's no running water. So I basically had to heat up water in the pans on the stove and then temper the hot water with some cool water and wash the dishes. So that was interesting. Murphy is with us, and he is slowly getting used to the new surroundings. So we'll see. We brought his kennel, so when we go get lunch later and go to town, we'll just put him in his kennel, which is actually good for him because when he's like in places like this, he gets nervous and he has a hard time like relaxing and sleeping. So at least if we can put him in his kennel with his blanket, you know, he'll go to sleep. So I think we're all going to finish getting ready, aka take a wipes bath, and we're probably gonna go to Pivo Brewery for lunch, which is another one of our favorite places to visit when we're up here in the Decorah area. They have a brewery in Kalmar, and it's very like family friendly. They also have like food there, and they have like a kids play area, and they have a lot of like unique different types of beers on tap. Like they have a lemon cucumber beer, which is really good. So we're gonna go there, and then I think we're gonna go downtown Decorah, and there is a kitchen shop that I want to go to, and Kira wants to go to some of the shops as well. And then tonight we're planning on doing like campfire with s'mores, and we are we have a grill here, so we're gonna grill steaks and hot dogs. So yeah, that's what we have planned for today. It's very windy outside. It's actually not that cold, but the wind actually makes it a little bit cold. So that's the plan for today. So I'll just show you guys around the very small kitchen really quick. There is a filtered water dispenser right here, which is good, obviously. And then there's a mini fridge, and I brought like cold cuts and some cut up fruit and some bacon and some sausage and eggs, some bagels and cream cheese and stuff like that. And then here's the sink, but it does not have running water. So we have this water jug here that we all need to brush our teeth in. And then I did save the bacon grease because I didn't want to obviously pour that down the drain. And then they have a toaster oven here because I guess the regular oven doesn't work. So I did bring some potatoes to roast in like a disposable pan, and then we bought some extra disposable pans. So and then the stove worked well. It's a little bit challenging to cook on these burners because they're so small, but I didn't burn the bacon, so that's a win. And there's no pilot light, so you actually have to use a lighter to start the burners. And this is probably the most roughing it I've done in my adult life. But we have coffee, so that's the important thing. Alright, so we just got back from lunch and we went downtown and did a little bit of shopping. I was going to show you guys the rest of this cabin, so I'll show you the upstairs later. But here are the stairs. It's like a loft, more like ladder stairs. And then it's all basically just one room. It seemed like super small when we got here, but it's better now. There's a full-size couch over here. This has a bed in it. And then this is recliners. Adam did start a fire in the wood stove last night, so that was nice. And then this is all open right here, so it's actually really kind of quaint. Oh my god, why are they yelling? And there's a bison fur up there, so yes, very quaint. I've had a headache all day and I can't I can't figure out why. I don't get headaches a lot, so I just had Adam stop at the gas station and I got like a huge Diet Dr. Pepper because I figured maybe it was a caffeine headache. I don't know, even though I drank like 3 cups of coffee this morning, but they were small cups. So anyway. Can we play with Murphy thingy? Yeah, we got him a toy. All right, so we are gonna make dinner. So I got the potatoes out here. I washed them up as best I could. And I'm gonna cut these in half and probably season them with some of the seasoning that we brought, the gourmet steak seasoning. One of you guys sent this to me. I can't remember who now. I'm sorry. But Adam also brought some of the Cowgirl's Coffee Rub Fresh Jack seasoning, and we thawed the steaks out. We're going to cook those on the grill. And I think also I'm going to make some baked beans and mac and cheese. Adam's trying to get the fire started. It's like way less windy than it was, but it's still windy and cold out there. It would have been nicer if we would have come when it was warmer, but oh well. So I'm going to make potatoes in the toaster oven. We're going to see how this works. Probably going to take a long time, but we'll see. Ooh, it's warming. It's warming up. All right, Adam got the fire going. It's actually warm out there if you stand like right by it. So, are you enjoying yourself? Listen, this is a fun family time. Okay, so I got the taters in there, and I also put the beans in here just because I wanted to put them in a disposable pan. I'm trying not to wash too many things. And then I just put the hot dog buns up here and wrapped in foil so they could warm up. And then I've got the water boiling for mac and cheese. Kira, do you want steak or hot dog?
Hot dog. I mean steak.
Cara wants steak. potatoes or beans or both? Fire in your eyes.
Got smoke in his eyes.
It is a song like that.
The fire's in his eyes.
Oh, oh, you ruined those.
How is this?
No, that's not bad. You don't have them charred?
No.
Good morning, guys, and happy Saturday. I believe we're all wanting a shower. You gonna take a shower?
Really? Yeah.
You know it's bad. You know it's bad when the kids want a shower. I know. Yeah, we're trying to figure out if it is gonna be warm enough to shower today. I'm not sure. When we get back from lunch it might be. So I made breakfast this morning. I made bagels with eggs and cheese and some sausage, and we had some fruit cut up that I brought, and yeah, that's what we have for breakfast. But we have hot coffee, so that's good. Today we are going to go to Chapin Goliath, and then we're probably gonna go to the store and get some sides for dinner tonight and some chicken to put on the grill. And today's supposed to be a lot warmer than it was yesterday, so that's always good. All right, so here's what we had for dinner on this night. We did stop at Fairway and grab some chicken and some sides to cook that I could basically cook without dirtying dishes. It was very hard to wash dishes without any hot running water. That was difficult, but we had some fettuccine alfredo. I got a country ranch salad kit, some mac and cheese, and some potato salad. So here was my plate. I had a big plate of that salad, which was really good. And then I had some filet and some grilled chicken and some of that Stouffer's mac and cheese. I also made some cheesy potatoes, but the bottom of the container burned, and so we had to throw some of them out. But either way, we had enough food, and this was probably my favorite dinner of the whole trip.
Here's upstairs. Come.
I'm coming.
Come.
I can't. Oh shoot! I can't go as fast as you.
Upstairs. This is Mama and Dad's room. And there's a little thing up here. How do you turn it on?
Oh, you gotta flip the cord. There's a little wheel on the cord.
Right here?
Yeah. 70s fabulous.
See? That's cool. And then we got the bed. And then show them the bullhead. I mean the buffalo. The buffalo head.
Hey, Bison. Don't fall.
I'm a trained professional. See? Easy.
Good morning, guys. It's Sunday morning, and it's 36 degrees outside, and we're going home today. Thank God. We have sleeping children. So I don't think I showed you guys where like the outhouse was located, but if you come out the sliding door here, it's right over here. And yes, that is cold to use in the middle of the night or in the morning. We did bring a cooler that we filled with drinks and food and stuff, but I'm gonna get breakfast made. It is currently about 7:20, and then after breakfast we're gonna finish packing and get on the road. Right in the guest book. How do you guys feel about showers now? Are you very appreciative that we have all that at home?
Yeah. I'm filthy.
Are you guys gonna complain when I ask you to take a shower?
Yes.
Yeah.
Some things never change. Murphy, I have no food for you.
That was the video.
Murphy just wants pets.
Murphy wants pets.
Give him pets in the chin. Give him pets in the...
Oh, baby. You ready to go home?
Connor, your mom has told you twice, I've told you once, get your out of bed and get dressed. You might want to edit that one out.
This is called gentle parenting.
Yes. Jennifer gently and inefficiently parents. Then Adam gets frustrated and snaps at the kids.
Make sure you put on that long sleeve shirt under your t-shirt. Murphy's ready to go home. Ready to go home? Ready to go? So this cabin is actually on this guy's property, and I guess he has 140 acres, which is kind of cool. So there's like buffalo and cattle, and I guess you can feed fish in this pond. We tried to, but they didn't come to the surface. So yeah, the kids were like, this cabin is as big as our living room, which is pretty much true, but I also think it's really cute. If you guys haven't tried one of these like chair swing things, they're super cool. We didn't really get to use it because it was too cold, but it kind of makes you feel weightless. We're home, yay, yay, and I get to take a shower today. All right, so we are home. It is about 1/4 afternoon. So we're gonna take showers and get unpacked. But thank you guys for coming along with us on our roughing it weekend getaway. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.